Absolutely. The question, the answer is yes, yes, yes. GitHub Copilot is perfect for both for like developers to learn new language and for non-developers to learn about basics of the coding. And it's literally learning by doing, the best possible way to learn. If needed, you can always refer to, for example, more formal documentation and some straightforward guides. But as starting point, just open GitHub Copilot and ask it to do some simple project for you. Explore the code, ask questions about concrete lines. You can be like, and you control. You can always say, give me more details. What if I do that? What if I do that? So it's like your pair programmer. It's like your mentor, like your trainer. Try this, and you will enjoy.